What is up, big bangers and big bangettes? Hold on, let's get this lighting right. Is it do lighting? Alright, anyway. Alright, yeah. As you can see, man, in the garage, man. About to work on the bike. I told y'all I was gonna bring them motor vlogs back. And I'm gonna get this car pulled out the way so we can get working on this thing, man. Alright, y'all, let's get that cold start. You know, remote only, everything remote only. With that. Good God. Little eco boost, but that thing sounded right, boy. Alright, now we got some space up in this thing. Hold on. My bad, y'all. Now we got some space up in here. Am I clear? Yeah, we clear. I'm gonna set this thing up right here so we can get some good lighting. Alright guys, as y'all can see, got the bike out, man. This is what happened here. My shifter, it was already like, it looked like it was welded by some amateur or something. But yeah, it was already like, it was already like welded or something. I stepped on it too hard and it kind of like cracked. And I couldn't get my bike in neutral. So I basically had to lift this heavy bike up and like lift it onto a U-Haul and get it back here. And it hadn't moved since. It's been leaking some oil. I just gotta figure out where the oil leak is. I think that's why maybe the transmission might have locked up. Maybe it's like leaking too much oil and the transmission's not getting the proper oil it needs. I don't know. But today's adventure, man, we're gonna see if we can get this thing right here fixed. I got a new one right in that package that I showed you guys earlier. We're gonna see if we can get it on and maybe take it down the road for you guys. Hopefully it does better. I do not want to put a new transmission on this bike. I think that's gonna like kill my pockets. But that's what comes with it, man. Especially with this bike stuff and anything that you like working on, you're always gonna have problems with it if it's not new. And eventually new stuff eventually has problems with it too. But I'm gonna bore y'all, man. Let's get right into this, man. guys. So, as you can see, well, probably can't see it, but I don't have an Allen key. That's the size of it. So I'm about to run to the store, and hopefully Ace or Home Depot. I know they have to have like a Allen key set, but I just have to get a bigger one. All the ones I have are too small to take off that particular part. So I'm gonna run to Ace and see if I can get a new Allen key set. But just stick with me, guys. Don't go anywhere. Don't go yet. We gotta get this on. Alright, guys, I'm back, bruh. I ain't even gonna lie. I only needed one of these, and I had to pay like $21. But whenever I buy tools, I just look at it as like I'm gonna use it eventually, bro. So I ain't even tripping. Let's get back to where we was at. Alright, guys. that's pretty much it. Like, that's done. Like, she's on. I might make sure these other bolts are tightened up. But yeah, that's it. Let's see, sorry, I got all this oil in my hand. Yeah, that's it. She's on there. About to. You got some GoPro footage. We're gonna take it down the road. Let's see what this transmission does. If it's the transmission, we don't know. But stay tuned. Yeah, guys. Before I take it down the road, I was just gonna like crank it up, let you guys hear it. For those who haven't been on the channel and really don't know, hopefully it cranks up. I don't know what this bike gonna do. It's a used bike. It's old. It's 14 years old. It says it's saying neutral right now. Let's see. Fuel pump. Check. That's turn on. See. Crank up. It cranked up. Click through the gears. Hopefully it doesn't fall off this stand. I just want to see what it does. Let it get up to temperature first. It's still heavy, but I love it. My fourth. Yeah, everything lines up. That's what makes it so precious. I don't want to get rid of it. There's the forks. Got new forks come on. New bearings. I painted them, ripping them. Obviously, you can see it's not the curtain can't go off. Got a new front tire board. Then the next thing, I'm probably get some new rotors and brakes. That brake test is fairly cool. Let's see what it does. We'll put it down the first gear. I don't know how safe this is or how smart of an idea it is. You're going to see. If my memory serves me right, this back tire will start rolling. I get down. As y'all see, man, I'll put it up in my hand. I always got 30 years, I think. It did what it was supposed to do. As y'all can see, it's keeping oil. Right there, keeping oil, right? I'm definitely going to get that fixed. I'm going to take it down there. You guys can look at it. That's pretty much some of the problem. What's up, guys? I am back. Make sure I sync up my audio. Let's sync it up. This is the next day, guys. I'm so sorry. I recorded a video the other day after putting on the shifter, and the audio was just so horrible because my mic had came out of my helmet and I did not know. So I'm gonna redo this video, and this is the redo. I actually headed to the barber shop, running a little late. Hopefully I can get there. Alright. So in neutral, we're in first gear. Solid takeoff. Solid. I'm sorry, I was looking at my pockets. Second gear fine. Third gear fine. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. Smooth shifts, man. This new shifter is what's up. It looks better down there. Cleaner. Yeah, like I said, I'm just headed to the barber shop, man. Gotta get this clean cut. Oh, get the lean in. Flip it back. Oh. Hopefully I'm not late. I know my barber, bro. He probably pissed. Probably should have left earlier in case something more to happen. I guess somebody come pick me up and take me to the barbershop so I don't miss my barbershop appointment. I feel like my mouth is touching the mic. It's weird. It's 8:39. Oh, green. I like this bike. It gives me a challenge, you know what I'm saying? Not with like the speed and everything, because you can go fast as you want if you got a throttle. But just like with the little small minor maintenance things that I have to do with it, it helps me learn a lot. I like that. Because with new bikes, I'm not knocking anybody that can just go out and buy a new bike. Cool, that's good for you. But I like to work on stuff, man. And when this bike just keeps like giving me problems, I don't look at it as a loss or, oh, I just bought some junk. Cause this bike runs, like, this bike get down. So, I ain't tripping off the little maintenance, like, ain't nothing like crazy anyway. So I don't be tripping, it just be little minor stuff. Come on, baby, let's get it, let's get on the move around here. My boy right there. No, I don't know who that was. It's good to see other bikers though. I miss, like, when my bike was down, I didn't have a shifter. I was like, oh man, I was so sad. JJ would hit me up like, bro, cause JJ just got a bike. If you watch the recent vlog, he'd be like, bro, where you at, bro? Let's ride. I'm like, bro, you know my shifter is snapped in half. And he would just like tease me like, oh, it's not my fault, your bike sucks, your bike sucks. I'm like, dude, whatever. Hey, dude, my bike like pops like a car. So like, I don't know if there's like you know how the racers, the tuners, racers, the little dudes like put a loud muffler on like a Honda or something and they gas it. I think it's called like two-stepping. I think that's what they call it in the tuner world. But yeah, my bike like does that whenever I take off out of first like super fast and get out the gas. That drum be like, pop. I don't know if that's great, bad, or what, but I probably should do some research into that.
But at the end of the day, I don't care. This is my baby. This is my baby. What is this guy got? These like some toxic crap on the back of that truck. The heck? And this guy just parks where he wants. Wow. Dudes just doing what they want around here, boy. Oh, slow down, baby girl. Big horn. He just got this thing too, boy. Like last month type deal. Nice truck. I'm not even gonna lie. I wouldn't get no Dodge though. I wouldn't get no Ford either. I got a Ford Mustang, but I wouldn't get a Ford truck. The Mustang, it was just impulsive. I really should do a video about this, about why I had to buy a Mustang. I didn't have to buy a Mustang, but I thought they were cool. I had good intentions on the mods. I still got good intentions, so I don't know why the heck I'm saying I had good intentions. But yeah, I like, oh, excuse me. Oh, gravel, gravel, gravel. Oh, did y'all hear me slide right in? Dang, I almost took a spill. Woo! That would not have been fun. Oh my gosh. I'd have been scraped up going to the freaking barbershop. Cause ain't no going back home. Boy, gotta get this cut. This is serious. I know a dude on the truck like, yeah bro, chill. It's not like, I forgot what they call those. The big tall grave thing. I'm gonna guess synagogue. Is this what it's called? Comment below. What is it called? Cause I don't freaking know. We're just cruising. What time is it? It is 8:44. I got 15 minutes. This should not take me 15 minutes though. Royalty Barbershop is not 15 minutes away from here. Dude, I should have wore like a hoodie or something, dude. I really underestimated today's weather. It's like 70. I wish my bike told me the temperature. Guess I don't have a new enough bike for that. She's shifting through all the gears like a pro, baby. Yes, sir. I know she's probably leaking at the bottom though. As y'all seen in the video, she was leaking from the middle. I think I just have a cracked oil pan or something, man. Not even gonna lie. But I got like a lot of oil like in this bike. I checked the oil level. Whoa, 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 whoa. These boots really make shifting a lot easier because they got like the steel toe, I guess. That's whatever you call it. They really make it easier, more comfortable. I think I just like slid into neutral. It didn't feel like I got in neutral, but you turned out of turn green, I bet. Oh. I don't really like the start stopper. Give me the green light. Give me just one light. I'm ready to go right now. What's today? Today's Friday. Whoa, oh, metal plate. Oh, dang it. I knew he swerved for something. I shouldn't be this close on this yacht anyway. This is very bad riding practice. Because if I was back here, I would have had enough time to swerve. But you live and you learn, you grind and you earn. What was I about to say? Yeah, today's Friday. I took the day off. You know, spent some quality time. Yeah. I really hope I get to go home. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. So, I initially was gonna go home and surprise my mom, but a sequence of events happened where I had to spill the beans and tell her that I don't have to go back to work till January 1st in the office. So I will be working remotely for the next 3 months. And I was planning on just going to her, surprising her, and telling her, hey, I'm stuck here for 3 months. But if you know a hosky, man, you don't want to be stuck in a hosky for 3 months, let alone 18 years, which is how long I was stuck there. But we made it out, man. We're in Kansas. Kansas is not ideal, but hey, I'm living a good life. I just want to thank God, man. I hope you watching this, you living a good life. You're blessed. If you're able to watch this and you got good health and strength, you are definitely blessed. No matter what you got, no matter what you want, no matter what you think you should have. But you are definitely blessed, man. Wouldn't be me if I didn't give you a little bit of motivation. But yeah, dog, we're gonna get to the barbershop with it. More a little story. Your boy trying to go home. We're gonna see if I'm gonna go home or not. I gotta make sure I ain't, because with the coronavirus, bro, they said like some people are asymptomatic, so you don't really know if you have it or not. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want to be like living perfectly fine the whole time and then I have it and take it home to my family. Like I got nieces and nephews that, you know what I'm saying? Even though kids, they said kids can't really get it like that. I ain't risking nothing for my family, man. So I feel like anybody can understand that. I ain't going out like that, but I would love to go home and see my family. It's been almost a year, and definitely if I don't go home, it's like for this little break that we have from away from the office, it'd definitely be a whole year. It's almost a year. I think it's like 10 months. But yeah, definitely gotta see my family. Look at this girl on her phone. Get off that phone. I feel like somebody's daddy telling that lady to get off her phone. Get off that phone. Look at this guy. This dude like he about half asleep. Oh, don't swerve over here, buddy. Yeah, I be having fun on this bike, bro. Just talking about people. It's so bad, but it's so funny. Like, I'm about to really start joking on people early this morning. Watch this. Look at this fool. Watch this guy. Look at this guy. Look. Is this a lady? Come on, lady. What are you doing, yo? She's getting her exercise on, but it looked like she wanted to walk across the street and she didn't know, like, what the heck to do. Oh, this lady in this car trying to get over and trying to get away from this bitch truck. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. We're smoking on the Oh, come on, cuz. You want to see me right here? 119th and now. More gravel, more gravel. Slow it down. God, that gravel will take you out, my God. Look at this. I just slipped right in. Oh, that's those new apartments. Tough. They could say, oh, yellow light, yellow light, yellow light. Dude, I'm telling y'all, bro, if it was not about to be like winter time, I would definitely put a new back tire on this bike because look at that crap, man. That joint is butt slippery, dude. Green light. What? Oh, this one's yellow. This one's red. Green light. I really want to smash out on this bike, but it's got like a crazy oil leak, bro. And you gotta make stuff last, you know? Sometimes I don't be trying to hurt that, but I just smash out on this joint anyway. What if I like got all the way here and like my wallet fell out? That'd be 3 pissed. Oh, these people at a light? Oh, they are. Haha, suckers! The dude with the bike skates again! The dude with the bike skates again! I really hope this audio is not trash, bro, because I really worked hard to tie this daggone mic in here. Like I said, I don't know if y'all watched the old motor vlog video, but I'm just using my iPhone headphones, and I lock my iPhone. That's all I do. Like, I'll do a voice memo, and then I'll sync it up with a clap. It's easy, dog. Very easy. Oh, this is my turn. It's my turn, baby girl. It's my turn. It's my turn. I hope I don't get stopped by the cops, bro, because my tags are expired. There's a lot of stuff that I do that's not 100% right. But guys just wanna have fun. I feel like that's a song. Or isn't it Girls? Girls just have. Oh my god, look at that Mustang. Ain't no 5.0, it's all good. I got no 5.0. But them things clean though. Dude can give me the green light. If nobody comes here, I'm not gonna get a green light. And it's 8:53. I have 7 minutes to get to my bar. Luckily, me. It's only around the corner, around the. Oh, look at that Mustang! Look like my joint. Oh, you see that Mustang, y'all? Boys just wanna have fun. What up, brother? Big Mac. Where that Mustang at? Look at that. Ew, dude, it was ugly, dog. That's like the V66. Nobody still has came to my rescue to give me the freaking green light. This is bogus. Come on. Are y'all serious right now? Yeah, this is weak. Yo! This is freaking crazy. Alright, they gotta show love now. Snow cars coming. Come on now. Yo, what the fuck? My fucking bike done ran hot. I'm trying to get this bitch to recognize my ass. Shit's pissing me off. Thank you. Fucking car, yes. That slingshot. That was dope. I don't even know if he went back. If not, oh well. Be a hater. Cause my joint faster than his. It's okay, I get that a lot. But we ain't gonna hate on him. That's the wrong thing to do. You don't hate on somebody just cause they hating on you. They want to be like you if they hating on you. Oh, what the heck? Dude, a bug just smacked my freaking visor, bro. I wanted it to go to catch that. Did y'all see that? Freaking bug just freaking smacked the heck out of my visor, bro. Oh. Dang. I feel sorry for that bug. He is no longer with us. I can promise you that. His freaking lower intestines are sitting right on my visor right now. Yellow light. Red light. green light. Just one of them days. This dude behind me is freaking jamming. I don't know what his deal is. Nah, just kidding. That boy turned up on this Friday. I don't blame him. I do not blame him. Anyway, y'all, I'm about to pull up to the barber shop. So I'm gonna catch y'all later.